First thing on a bowl like me full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth. Everything get fuck when I reach. 16 bun up boy skin. Head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy all run up and see. My brain side corner rotted. Yeah man, I east side, be a chapstick.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Now, I want to talk about some things I want to talk to the subscriber them and the people them. Yo, may I tell a pussy right now, say, you see me, countryman, me not afraid of people. You understand? I see anybody, me not care who wants to them know me or this and that, and run up their mouth. But any pussy step to me, remember me tell you now, me I use police and bad man for fight on a bomber clot. You understand? Me I not somebody who wanna play with you. Cause you see me I do my job. No, me I do my job. It's my job. And for the people that me not have no voice. My job is for be a conscience. My job is more to see the youth they make a change and start by bleaching cream and blood clot, Tommy Hilfiger boxer, and I buy gun and I kill off them one another. Why there's so much killing in our community? Why there's this big disconnect? But you know what kill me? Every time you talk to people from the Caribbean or our race, them say, yo, we need to work like the Chinese man. We need to work like the white man. We need to do this. We need to do that. And we don't do a damn thing. What we do, we bad mind each other. We kill off each other. And we can't work together. With that said, now, me know my platform. You know, me is a stickler and thing. I'ma call things out. Not because me talk about Prince Swanee, that mean me hate him. Not because me talk about Mavado, or you understand, me have to do my job. Now, like me say, I am not perfect. So if me put something out there and somebody feel like, yo, them have the facts, they can't help me, give me a call, cause my thing open. You understand? People not have to feel like say, yo, countryman of this, countryman of that. I am a real person. I want a real change in our community and in our countries. You understand? I love everybody, all the subscribers. That's the best way we can put it. A big man called me this morning and me and him have a reason. And we know say, yo, we come from Garrison and certain things with the system, and sometimes in the Garrison you have to shoot a pussy. You understand? I just saw it go. I will understand that. And sometimes you have to do what you have to do. You know that. But a lot of people in the Garrison do good things. So sometimes we can talk about the good things with the gangster them do too, you know. For the people them in them neighborhood, you know. You understand? We can bring that across too. We not have to just bring the negative on a gangster. Cause yeah, we know say a gangster, yeah, you're a pussy, boom, whatever. But sometimes, you know, we have to try and strike a balance. Cause we know enough gangster, enough done, help them community. So we want to hear about them thing they too. And that we want the people them to know. You understand? My platform is not a platform where you can use it to take out revenge and them thing there. No. You understand? Me I do my job, me I talk facts, me I tell the story them.
First thing on a bowl like me full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth. Everything get fuck when I reach. 16 bun up boy skin. Head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy all run up and see. My brain side corner rotted. Yeah man, I east side, be a chapstick.
What people want to hear and people want me talk. Cause listen, me are just a messenger, you know. You understand? I know me make up them thing, yeah. So, like me I say, if me do a story and a man have a problem with it, them can call me now and we can talk. And we can counteract it. I know nothing. It's an open platform. You see me I say? So that me I tell the people them. With that said, hear this. But me I tell a man say listen. When you can talk all you want to talk. You see me personally, me not afraid. And if a boy step to me I use police and me I use bad man and straight up. Cause me not play. When it comes to my life, me not like people threaten me. You understand? Me never threaten nobody yet, you know, and you never hear me do that. But listen, a guns out, yo. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video, yo. I'm out.